Check this out, this is the new 18V riveting tool from Bosch. Now the brushless motor in this unit produces 16,000 newtons of pulling force, which is impressive. And that gives you a fast 25mm pull and reset so you can get through a lot of rivets quickly. Now it's got both auto and manual modes. In manual mode, it pulls on the squeeze of the trigger and resets on the release of the trigger, while in auto mode, you only have to tap that trigger for it to both pull and reset. But it also overrides the auto mode. If you hold the trigger down, it will pull and hold until you release. The other button there is a reset button should you encounter a jam. There's a little rubber O-ring around each of the tips that'll hold onto your rivet while you're dancing. You've also got the clear catcher on the rear, so all your stems won't end up on the floor or in the gutter. Now all 4 included tips are stowed nicely on board and conveniently up on top of the tool, and there's an onboard tool for changing them as well. The tool's quite narrow, and that extended nose allows you to get up into a tight corner, near an edge, or into a box section. It's also got the lanyard attachment up on top, which supports you working at height. And it's got Bluetooth connectivity, so you can connect it to the Bosch Toolbox app for both tracking and customization. It's not too heavy, it's got a nice rubberized, comfortable grip, it's got a surprisingly strong output, and it's really quick. I like it. It's available now at the Bosch aisle of all Sydney Tools stores, and you can go online to sydneytools.com.au for more information on this tool. You can also hit me up with any questions directly in that comment section down below. Until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.